In this video, I will show you how to use the if function to check if a cell is equal to a specific value in Excel like this. So let's get started. Here in this Excel sheet, I have a table containing a list of order items and the country to ship to. Now I want to calculate the shipping cost of the item in column D based on the country given in column C. If the country is India, shipping is free. For any other country, the shipping cost is a flat $10. To calculate that, I will use if function to check if the country is equal to India or not. Let's start the formula by typing an equal sign in the target cell. The first argument of the if function is the logical condition to check, so I will compare the value of the C3 cell with India using the equal to sign like this. We need to provide the value if the condition is true as the second argument, so I will type free in the double quotes as the second argument. If the country is not India, then the shipping charge is flat $10, so I will provide 10 as the third argument. Type the closing bracket, hit the enter key and copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, we have free as the shipping charge if the country is India and $10 for other countries. The if function condition we mentioned is not case sensitive. For example, the C6 cell in this Excel sheet contains the country name India in capital letters, while the equal to condition mentioned in the if function contains the country name India in mixed letters. But still, we got the shipping charge as free. If you want to create an if equal to condition in a case sensitive way, we can use the exact function instead of the equal to sign. The exact function compares two string values and returns true if and only if they are exactly the same, including text case, and false otherwise. We need to provide two string values to compare as arguments. Let's modify the formula to compare the values along with the text case. I will change the if function condition to have an exact function that compares the value of the C3 cell and India text like this. The exact function returns true if and only if the cell C3 matches exactly with the text India in mixed case. Hit the enter key and copy the formula to other cells. As you can see, now the D3 cell has free shipping because the C3 cell contains the exact text India in the mixed case, but the D6 cell has $10 shipping because C6 cells contains the country name India in uppercase. Watch these videos for more Excel tips, tricks and how-to tutorials. If you find this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.